In this video, we'll take a look at how you can ask clients for additional information during booking. Perhaps you need to know some personal details like your client's age, have them answer some questions, or choose from among provided options. Let's navigate to the Custom Features page to locate intake forms and enable it. Click Manage to set them up. This page can also be accessed using the Manage menu on the left. Here are some forms I've created previously. Click plus to create a new one. Fill in the question title and choose the field type. You can find a detailed overview of available field types by following the link in the description. Add a default value if you like, and specify some other options depending on the field type. Below, you can choose if this form should be displayed for specific services. Save changes and the field will be added to the booking form. Back on the Custom Features page, you can configure the autofill options. If you'd like the intake form values to be added to any booking notifications, please refer to our dedicated tutorial on configuring notifications. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.